I want to share with you a very simple trading strategy. The simple trading strategy can make your account grow up to 80%. I will teach you step by step how to use this strategy. So please watch the video till the end so you don't miss any single detail. Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, I will show you a simple trading strategy that can make $800 with proof. But first, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel by click the subscribe button below, so you won't miss any of our new video. Now, let's start this video. How to install the indicator. To use this indicator, we are using TradingView. Click link in description below and sign up for a free account. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart. Click on it. Choose a GBP/USD pair and set a time frame to 1 hour time frame. You can go on indicator menu at the top, search MTM Momentum indicator, and click on it. I will make some change to its settings. On the Input tab, change the N value to 80 and also change the N1 value to 80. Click OK. Next, for second indicator, search Moving Average Exponential. Follow my settings on this indicator. On Input, change the length to 50. On Style, let's change the EMA color to yellow and make it a little thicker. And your chart will look like this. Now we will learn how to use this trading strategy. But before we see how to use this strategy, I want to tell you the important information. We have a free Telegram channel that provides a trading signal and free education. This is a screenshot of Simple Trade Club Telegram channel member who have profit from the signal we share on Telegram channel. The signal is free, and if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join by clicking the link below. Let's continue this video. How to use this strategy? Now let's go over the rules of this trading strategy. When the MTM color is turned to green and the candle closes above the yellow line, go for buy transaction. When the MTM color is turned to red and the candle closes below the yellow line, go for sell transaction. Now I will give you some examples. You can see in the chart, the MTM color is turned to green and the candle closes above the yellow line. You can place a buy entry. Set the stop loss on the 50-period moving average line. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Will our trading position hit take profit? After waiting, our trading position hit take profit. You can see in the chart, the MTM color is turned to red and the candle closed below the yellow line. You can place a sell entry. Set the stop loss on the 50-period moving average line. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Will our trading position hit take profit? After waiting, our trading position hit take profit. We are using TraderEdge to do a backtest. TraderEdge is the best backtesting web application. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. This application makes you can do the backtest faster than using the Excel. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Backtesting strategy. Let's start the backtest. You can see on your screen when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. You can use TraderEdge to do the backtest. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio with 2% of risk for single trade. We will do the test on Euro USD with 1 hour time frame. Let's discuss about the backtesting result of this strategy. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to the channel. Your support is very important for the channel. Now, we can see the result of this simple strategy. This simple strategy has 56 profit trade and 44 loss trade. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, this strategy has 56% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 5 trades in a row and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account starts from $1,000 and has 80% account growth. So our last balance is $1,800. Now let's talk about the conclusion. Conclusion. Like I said before, the simple strategy can grow your account up to 80% in 8 months. So this strategy is very recommended for the newbie trader. So that's all about a very simple trading strategy. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support the channel by giving a like and subscribing to the channel so we can develop in the future. Disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.